Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to easily enable Siri to listen for typical speech patterns on iPhone and iPad. The voice assistant Siri includes accessibility features that help it better understand people with speech differences. And one of these features is listen for a typical speech, which allows Siri to recognize speech patterns that may differ from typical pronunciation. This can be especially helpful for users with conditions that affect speech clarity. So, if you use an iPhone or iPad, enabling this setting can make voice commands more accurate and improve how Siri responds to your requests. That said, let's get started. So, first step, you have to launch the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Then you have to scroll down a bit and choose the Accessibility option. In the Accessibility menu, find and select Siri. Then you have to look for the option called Listen for a Typical Speech and then enable this toggle and you're all set. After enabling it, follow any prompts that appear to help Siri learn and adapt to your speech patterns. And that's pretty much it. Turning on the Listen for a Typical Speech feature can make Siri more responsive and accurate for users with unique speech patterns. Once enabled, the assistant continues to improve its understanding over time as you use voice commands on your device. And if you ever want to change the setting, you can simply return to the same Siri section in accessibility and toggle the option on or off depending on your needs. And that's about it. Now that you have unlocked this pretty helpful feature, make the most of it as and when the need arises. And I'll catch you up in the next one.